I'll bet you're getting the hang of this hand lettering thing. So we're gonna move on to the next set of letters. And I tell you, some of my favorite letters to make are in this video. Is that weird to have favorite letters? I don't know. Hang tight for just a second and we'll get to today's lesson. Hi friend, in case you're new here, I'm Erin and I make videos to help people get more creative in their journal and feel less alone along the way through their recovery journey. Today we're going to cover the letters J through M. I'm showing you how I hand letter the lowercase alphabet. In case you haven't seen the other videos that I already posted with the letters A through I, I'm going to give you a little link right here. Click on the little I up there and it'll take you back to the very first video, which is full of tips and tricks that I've learned as I've developed my own hand lettering technique. In the video you're about to watch, you'll see that I'm using a hand lettering practice sheet. If you'd like to download that sheet for yourself so that you can use it to practice your own hand lettering, you can grab that for free from my website, and the link is below this video in the description. So without any further ado, let's jump in. I'm still wondering if it's strange to have a favorite letter. Help me out, would you? Post your favorite letter in the comments below if that's even a thing for other people. And if you're looking for the next video in this series, you can find it right there. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell before you go so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye, friend.